Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrology Healing. Do you know someone who are more happy or they are delighted to play sports that need more brain work like chess or bridge? Do you know somebody who enjoys solving sudokus? If they are given some time, they have some free time or they want to relax, their definition of relaxation is solving sudokus. Yes, there are people like this. Most of us would watch a movie, watch TV, listen to news. We will do home decorations, will color something, will paint something, will draw something, watch some sports, play some sports when we get some spare time, when we want to relax. Or sometimes we are very much passionate about all these things. We are good at them, we usually excel in those activities, and we want to give our 100% in doing those. These are nothing but hobbies. Something that gives our mind happiness, something that gives us peace of mind, something makes us forget the rest of the world can be your hobbies. And these hobbies represent third house in your horoscope. Third house from moon, third house from your lagna. So depending on connection of third house and 12th house, third house and 8th house, people can choose to do these hobbies in a group, or they may choose to do these activities in the privacy of their home. Some of them may choose to start a business from their hobby, from their passion, and for that they will need a connection of third house with second house, 11th house, 10th house, and the sixth house. So if your hobby and your eartha houses are connected, then and then you will make a business out of it and it will be a successful business. If there are planets like Jupiter and Venus involved, you may choose to coach others about those activities, those hobbies, about your passions. If there are nakshatras that have effect of motivation, effect of uplifting someone, effect of healing somebody, then it could be Ashwini, it could be Purvashara, or it could be Punarvasu. Because depending on what is your hobby, what do you like to use your spare time for, and can you make business out of it, are the connections in your horoscope. But if you are noticing one fact, nothing will be complete unless you devote time for that activity, time for that hobby, give your 100% to it. There are some people who would like to communicate regarding their hobby. Some of them choose not to discuss it with anybody. However, both of these people can have same intensity, same passion towards their activities and towards their hobbies. Depending on the planets that are related to second house and speech, some people will talk about it. But if that second lord is placed in a hidden house like 8th house or 12th house, then these people may not want to discuss about their hobbies. They can still make a business out of it, but they will probably hire somebody to promote and market their business. When I do horoscope readings, I usually tell people to pursue their hobbies. They may or may not turn their hobbies into a business, but hobbies represent your third house. It is about your courage. It is about the strength that one can get to fight all the odds. And hence, whether you are going through good time in your life or whether you are going through little bit bad patch, hurdles, I would still suggest hold on to your hobbies. Don't quit them. Whether you play bridge, whether you play carom, whether you like to draw, whether you like to dance, whether you want to sing a song, please do it. That will give lot of happiness to you. Somebody can do gardening. Some people can do hobbies like building blocks. They can do hobbies like drawing rangoli. Do something creative. Use your hands to start something that is communicative enough, that is relaxing enough, and invest your energy in that. Third house is natural 12th from fourth house. Fourth house is about your happiness, and for that happiness you will have to invest time and efforts. So if you are thinking about, I should have done horse riding, I should have done gardening, I should have learnt driving, um, I should have learnt skydiving, whatever it is, how big, small, or simple that thing is, but if you have interest in it, please pursue it. These hobbies help you connect with others. These hobbies give you peace of mind, and this is the important function of activating third house in your horoscope. If you want to know what type of hobbies will give you more peace of mind, send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. If you have noticed something in relation to your hobbies, do reply that in a comment. Please share this video with your friends, like this video, and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't.